Tired of boring kitchen tools? Well, buckle up. Today we're diving into a world where garlic gets crushed by vampires, pandas brew your tea, pizza gets sliced tour de France style, and even your chopsticks come with the force. From egg-separating slam dunks to veggie-chomping crocodiles, these quirky gadgets don't just cook, they perform. Let's get weird in the kitchen, one hilarious tool at a time. Let's go! Crock Chop, your Gator aid for meal prep. This snappy little beast dices, slices, and grates like it's on a veggie vendetta. 5 blades, 0 drama. Prep's never been so jawsome. Chop to it, chef. Count Dracula, the garlic-slaying vampire of your kitchen. With a twist and a press, he crushes garlic in seconds, leaving you more time for bite-sized fun. Say goodbye to tedious prep, and hello to Fang Sai flavor. Why slice your pizza when you can cycle through it? Meet the Tour de Pizza Cutter. 2 stainless steel wheels, 0 gears, and 100% delicious. It's the only bike that burns 0 calories but cuts crust like a champ. Let's roll, pizza lovers. Get ready to slam dunk your eggs. The Otto Dunk Egg transforms breakfast into a full court press, effortlessly separating yolks like scoring the perfect buzzer beater. It's quirky, fun, and totally on point for your kitchen game. Enjoy every egg-citing play. Why use regular chopsticks when you can duel for your dinner? These lightsaber chopsticks bring the force to your fingers, ignite your sushi, battle your noodles, and let every bite be a galactic adventure. May the forks be jealous. Krabby, the pasta colander that plays hard and works smart. With stainless steel tongs and silicone lids, it clings to any pot and drains your noodles with a pinch of fun. Say goodbye to messy kitchens and hello to your new crab-tasting sidekick. Meet Sir Peel's A-Lot, the knight your kitchen deserves, with a blade sharper than Excalibur and a grip that holds firm. This valiant peeler battles veggies with noble flair. Prepare for a culinary quest where every peel is pure glory. Meet the Yolk Whisperer. This little gadget slurps up yolks like a pro. No mess, no fuss, no shell gymnastics. Just squeeze, suck, and boom. You're basically a baking wizard. Exactly what your kitchen needed. Get ready to pause your busy day. Meet Fred's Bamboo Tea Infuser, your cute Panda Pal brewing tea with playful flair. Just pop it on your mug and let the pandemonium begin. Red the Crab, your new kitchen sidekick with claws for days. He holds your spoon, chills in the steam, and never complains. Finally, a crustacean that pulls his weight while you stir up greatness. Now that's what I call sheltertainment. That's a wrap, Kitchen Crusaders. Thanks for cruising through our wild world of quirky culinary gadgets. Stick around because next up, I've got 10 bonus kitchen wonders hitting the sale rack, your chance to upgrade your cooking game without breaking the bank. Until then, stay hungry, stay quirky, and keep cooking with a smile.